Hello, I'm Bea Watson. I'm the new Global Educator in Styling. I'm here today to talk to you about a new product, which is Shampure Dry Shampoo. It's amazing. It's 25 pure plant and flower essences. It's got a wonderful aroma and it's really easy to use. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So this product is 99.8% naturally derived and it's for all hair types. So the application is really easy. You take the center of the bottle and you just puff the product into the scalp area and hairline. It depends how hard you squeeze the bottle. The harder you squeeze, the more of the product will be applied to the root area. The less you squeeze, the lighter puff you'll achieve. We're just going to lightly puff the product towards the root area, and then I'm just going to use the tip of my fingers to massage the roots. Straight away that you'll feel that it absorbs the oil towards the scalp and you get this freshly shampooed feeling to the hair. My guests are really going to love this new product for ease of application and the fact that it leaves the hair feeling so refreshed. I'm really excited about Shampure Dry Shampoo. I can't wait for everyone to try it.